Hey guys, Boy back at you with another video, and I've got another unboxing to do, so let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so let's cut this thing out. I don't want to damage the box. Oh, it's pretty big. It's a pretty big box. Right, so I'll just get this open with and then I'll just get back to you. Alright, so I've got the contents out of the box. So let's show you one by one. Alright, so this is Albedo in kimono, just so you can see. It's Albedo in a kimono. Albedo from Overlord. If you just give me 1 minute. So here is Albedo from Overlord, right? And the other thing is her wings. If you can have a look, just look at the detail on this. Really good, right? Right, so here we go. This is how she looks. The back with the wings. Amazing, right? I'll give you a close-up view, just 1 minute. So there's a close-up view of her face. The rings. Everything looks so perfect. Alright, well, that will be it. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.